How do you know that your partner is actually enjoying with you?
I think the voices, the noise. Like, can I pinch you?
Please. Oh,
Yes.
I love. Very smart. Very smart. Can you pinch her again? So yeah, try. I'll still love. How do you understand that he's enjoying having sex?
When he calls out your name?
Yeah.
When he calls out your name?
If he asks for another round. Another round.
Girls practically fake orgasms all the while, so you never know.
Fake orgasm is better than no orgasm. Yep. Okay, maybe with the voice?
Voice? I mean, क्या आवाज? कौन सी आवाज? Can you just tell us?
I won't do the voice. I'll just, say like, the voice, remove the voice like, like that kind of. If he's too hard on me, then maybe,
If he's too hard on her, maybe she knows that he's enjoying it.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
They moan? Like how? Oh, I see. I don't know. They moan, yeah. They come, they moan. Boys also moan. They don't moan exactly, but there is certain type of, that voice they make. I guess.
I think it's as cliche as it may sound, but I think if you're in love with someone, you will definitely enjoy the sex.
How good are you at sex?
Not to disclose.
Well, decent, I guess. Decent. Extremely wild because I've been a virgin for 19 years, so I guess I'll be horny, super horny. Can you elaborate how wild? I don't know. Random places, doing it at random places, outside, at the beach or something. I see.
Maybe I'll be good because I know too much about it.
I think I really have no idea, but then I think I would be awesome. Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, I did have foreplay, but never had sex, to be very honest.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, I think it'll be 9.5.
I think I'll do 8. 8 sounds fine.
I will be good probably. How long do you think a guy should last in bed? Depends on me, how fast I orgasm or how fast I come. After that he can...
20 minutes.
Around 45 minutes. 20 minutes?
On.
15-20 minutes बस हो गया. 15-20 minutes बस हो गया. You think कि लड़का इतना time sustain कर पाएगा?
My mom comes.
Mom comes in the other sense at home, okay? She arrives home that time.
I think longer the better. An hour works.
An hour. He should really last for an hour. Okay.
Expectations.
Very high expectations. Really high expectations.
Half an hour, approximately from base one to the sex part, including everything, it might take half an hour. A week, not more than that.
How long should it last in bed, the guy?
Okay, that way. Depends.
What is that one sex tip you would like to give to the viewers? Please give more attention to your girl's wants and don't just leave her once you come or you orgasm. And yeah, that's it.
Have sex before marriage.
Last long, stay strong.
Do it with the person you like to do, not just hang around with randoms.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you really like it, please don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to So Effin Cray. Bye. See you. Take care.